So this is how to transfer a tax-free savings account from CIBC to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom and select the Move Money icon or the third icon. Once you're here, scroll down under Accounts and select Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Then in the middle, select Get Started. Once you're here under Most Popular, if you were to scroll down a little bit here, there is CIBC. Select that. Now select where the investments are located. So 3 different options here. I'm just going to go ahead and select the top one, Investor's Edge as an example, and press on Next. Now you can sign into CIBC through the app for a faster experience if you want, or you can go to the very bottom and enter the information manually. I will do that for this video. Go to the top here, select TFSA under Most Popular, and press Next. And then once you're here, you can go ahead and answer the following questions, fill in the required information, and once that is done, you should have been able to set up and initiate a transfer of your TFSA over from CIBC to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.